Colorful makeup looks are back, and I'm going to show you how I got this green makeup look. First, I started by applying color corrector in the shade Light Peach and then buffing it out with this small brush. I covered it up by using Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. I also applied some of the same concealer over top of my lids to prepare my lids. For this look, I chose to use BH Cosmetics Absinthe palette. It is a palette comprised of green mattes and shimmers, and I really like it. Starting off with the shade Blackout, I'm going to apply it above my crease area. I usually do this because I do have partially hooded eyes, and it does make it show better. Now I'm going to take this green shimmer called Urban Legend and apply it all over both of my lids, concentrating on the outer part. I'm going to use this other shade called Green Fairy and use that on the inner portion of both of my lids. Taking the dark green shade Blackout again and underlining my eyes, as well as using it as a bit of an overline and to provide some depth to this look. I really should have blended the colors in this look better. I don't like the way it's blended out. Next, I'm going to take NYX Epic Ink Liner and line my upper lash lid, and then use L'Oreal Infallible Black Pencil Liner for my waterline. Taking this shade from Patrick Ta's We Need Better Lighting and applying it as a topper, and then using House Mascara in the shade Black to prepare my lashes for the actual application of false lashes, which I will do mostly off camera. Now it's time for my foundation. I use Huda Beauty Easy Foundation in the shade Custard, and I put it all over my face using this fluffy brush. Followed by Rare Beauty Solace Liquid Contour wherever I feel like I need contouring. And I use a nice oval brush for this. I feel like it blends the contour very well. Using this white Natasha Denona highlighter, as well as this beautiful green, apple green shimmery shade from MAC Cosmetics. I will put a full product list in the description for you. The blush I'm using today is from the Sunkissed collection by Maybelline, and it is called City Sizzle number 6. And the lipstick is a liquid lipstick called Worth It. And it's one that I felt would go really well with this look, but actually I like the one I was using prior to this as well. It was a little bit more subtle. So here is the final green look. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will be posting more and more colorful looks now that they are back in style. So if you enjoyed this one, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.